Types of welding electrode. Most commonly used welding electrodes and their applications. Welding electrodes are essential in creating strong, reliable welds. Different types of electrodes serve various purposes based on the material, environment, and welding process. Here are some of the most commonly used electrodes in welding. 1. E6010. Known for deep penetration and fast freezing slag. Commonly used in pipeline welding, structural work, and other demanding applications. It performs well on DC and is ideal for vertical or overhead welding. 2. E6011. Similar to E6010 but compatible with both AC and DC power sources. It's highly versatile and works well in repair, maintenance, and outdoor applications where surface contaminants may exist. 3. E6013. Often recommended for beginners, this electrode produces smooth, aesthetically pleasing welds with minimal spatter. It's perfect for thin sheet metal and light fabrication projects. 4. E7018. A low-hydrogen electrode used for high-strength welds. It's highly effective in structural steel applications, pressure vessels, and bridges, offering excellent toughness and crack resistance. 5. E7024. A high-deposition electrode ideal for flat and horizontal welds. It's commonly used in production welding where speed and efficiency are crucial. Thanks for watching.